Document collaboration software versus cloud storage tools. Which one is better for team productivity? Most people get this wrong by assuming that storing files online is the same as collaborating effectively. The surprising truth is that document collaboration software and cloud storage tools serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can dramatically boost team productivity. Cloud storage tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Onedrive focus on storing and organizing files. They provide secure access from anywhere, version history, and sharing capabilities. For example, a marketing team can store campaign assets in one central location, making sure everyone has access to the latest files. While this is useful, it doesn't solve the challenge of real-time collaboration or tracking contributions. Document collaboration software, on the other hand, is designed for active teamwork. Platforms like Google Docs, Microsoft 365, or Notion allow multiple users to edit, comment, and update content simultaneously. Teams can assign tasks, track changes, and communicate directly within the document. For instance, a product team can work together on a project spec, see live edits, and provide feedback instantly, eliminating endless email threads and confusion over file versions. The key difference is storage versus interaction. Cloud storage keeps files safe and accessible, while collaboration software enables dynamic teamwork and workflow efficiency. Many organizations see the best results when combining both. Use cloud storage for long-term file management and collaboration tools for real-time work, brainstorming, and document co-creation. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is secure file storage and basic sharing, cloud storage tools are sufficient. If your goal is to enhance productivity, streamline teamwork, and reduce bottlenecks in document-based projects, collaboration software is the better choice. The surprising truth is that integrating both solutions creates a seamless workflow. Files are safe, but collaboration is fast, efficient, and transparent, helping teams deliver higher quality results in less time.